You politician boy, just walk through the ghetto now, so the people them a leave. Shoulda shame. And you can't buy food, but him have a big matter, cause the system fi blame.
You are my best friend. I don't ever want our friendship to run. Lion and Lioness viewers and subscribers, you are a heaven sent. You are the reason I am vlogging again. Blessed love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. Blessed Sunday, blessed day, wherever you are. Have a blessed week, blessed month, blessed year. Father God, guide and protect you. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, you know. I hope all is well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. You know what I mean? And share. If you feel like doing so, your support is always appreciated. You know what I mean? Highly. Yes, man. I just say, I hope Father God bless you, know, guide you, June going out and coming in. Now, my viewers and subscribers, big up I-Octane, the Slim Boss, again, once again, attacking the PM. You know what I mean? Yes, conjure coolness. You know what I mean? So I know from where I-Octane a burn the fire upon him, I say him not done nothing. Be a chat him a lot down the people, him sell out, him sell him soul to the government. And it's clearly to see, I agree. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so I just have to give kudos to I-Octane because, you know what I mean, him a burn the fire straight and him a speak truth and rights. No matter what people have to say about him, he might do the work, see me, because remember him say him get the call. Yes, remember my viewers and subscribers. Now, Octane has been burning the fire. Red. Putting Andrew on the spot, highlighting the truth and rights and what him not do, what him can do and not do. Now, it look like the Prime Minister take a walk into the garrison. That means he might hear Octane voice. Zine, where the other artists them there? Where the other big name them there? Zine, and you just sit back and watch, so. Come on, man. Get out there, make your voice be heard, man. And stop act like a nerd, man. You see me? No more viewers and subscribers. Prime Minister going to the garrison and a church lady approach him and say, yo, woe be unto you. Rebuke you and them thing there, you see me? He must say he's a man of God and God send him to do the vaccine. Like, yo, you say him wicked. That's where you say he's really a devil, you know. Yeah, so Octane come again. And run and say, you're going to the garrison and the church and approach you and lick you spiritually. You see me? And you not bring no food, nothing. You just walk through. You want people to say you walk through your video. You not do jack shite. You not do jack shite. You see me I say? When I say jack shite, you know what I mean in a jack. You see me? S-H-I-T, yeah. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So, here what Octane have to say.
Zinc fence, lightning and thunder. Anywhere me there zinc fence, thunderball. I want to them zinc fence from about 100 hard floor up. Watch your style now, see? The judgment are terrible. Seeing a lot of people out there every time. I mention and I utter the words of the Almighty. And I defend the poor and want to kill me. But I saw it go. The truth offense. And the Almighty me I deal with. Watch your style now. Andrew Wellness. Back at you again. Seeing? I see you walk through the ghetto, I see a woman who approach you and say, yo, repent. Can't lock down the place, so. And you listen keenly. And then when I summarize, people don't understand that when you conclude everything you said to the lady, say. And these are your words. The Almighty created somebody. The Almighty created human being. The Almighty know all end product, and yet that is right. And He create human being. And human being have the knowledge, put the knowledge in human being to create the vaccine. So it's the Almighty create the vaccine for us, and the lady should take it. You never hear when the lady say, yo, sufferation. Seeing Andrew, let me tell you this. Just like how God work, I saw the devil work too. Seeing? No found a Baphomet boy I work under the devil regime. But that me I tell you, any leaders or any leader of any nation, seeing, suffer. Remember say God, so the meek shall inherit the earth. So any leader make the nation suffer. That are not God work. Any leader that look on any individual, any civilian and tell them say, God make a vaccine for them. That is abomination of the Most High works, or the words of the Most High. Saying that will never come from the Most High, no time at all. That is abomination. You understand? Me not tell people don't take your vaccine. Go and take the vaccine if you have to take the vaccine. But Angelo say I walk through a ghetto and I say walk through a ghetto, you saw the people them live. Bag of zinc fence, bag of tear down, and you have camera and bag of things, and you walk through the ghetto, you say you come off of your eye ass. What the truck there with the basic necessities? Or you know, walk through get I mean, see about 20 truck a walk through get and people are on half things give the people them. You lock down the country again. You lock down the people them in a sufferation. With the food there, you walk through and you carry your camera and you report that you want to show people say you walk through where the food there. Where the things them will lock down in the ghetto, where the people them forget the things them there. Or you know, hand out vaccine can't take for hungry belly. It can't take for hungry belly. Judgment, lightning can't take for hungry belly. Remember that. See? So no found where politics oriented. I go feel like me not deal with politics, we burn politics. Me tell you say red and green have no significance unless gold in it. Only for you dead for red, green and gold, but red and green boy. Red, green and gold uplift the youth them. See? Listen to me. Where they chop them there, you walk through a ghetto. You should have feed the people them. Where they chop them there, you say you praise Christ and then Christ feed the multitude. Saying with one fish and 2 loaves of bread, feed the people them. Judgment.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I hear acting and say, yeah man, fire red pan him man, red man. You see me? Shame on you know, you let down the people them for much weeks and months and you not give them nothing. People them can't do them look hustling downtown at the market on the roadside. You know what I mean? Can't go where you not provide nothing, you not do nothing, and you get money. You get money to make sure so them get it during the lockdown because it's a program around, you know. You see the whole of the country them get orders to lock down and they get money to give the people them. So they are convinced that the thing is real, the agenda. You see me? But this greedy one I broke out, nah do nothing. UK do give, Canada give, America give. So why him a hold on, you see me? Just for sure how the Caribbean politicians them stay in the Caribbean, them thief. Yeah man, I use one fat and fry the whole of them man, because I'm born politics. You see me? So well done Octane, big up yourself Octane and watch nothing brother. You see me? Yeah man, just go on to the work, see? Yeah, and make sure you sort out the thing with the promoter there. You see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, moving on next now. That lady, I remember I did put it on the vlog earlier, I asked if she really died because I heard the rumors and I heard a few other vloggers were talking about it. You know what I mean? But we are saying, not make the social, not make the news media, the news entity, nothing at all. So somebody sent it to me again last night with a voice now confirming that it was she. And now somebody do a groundwork, you know, and hear that from a source from where she come from, say yes, she dead for true. Just because she come out and spoke. So I'm going to hear what I go on again, Star. It's really sad, tragic, you know. Yeah man, say yeah, what I go on.
This is the Radio 1 service of the JBC. The news today is brought to you by Burger King Taste Rules. A woman who had took to social media to vent her disgust at Prime Minister Andrew Holness on his stance on the lockdown policy in Jamaica was shot hours after a video went viral. We have more in this report.
Upset with you. Yes, me a labor right, and if I'm me alone, you'd have never blood clot win. Too much of your blood clot, no man. You're upset me, man. Bumbo clot, but no movement. No movement, your pussy clot. When you're in a lockdown in your airport then.
Not kill a woman, I don't want violence, so I'm on the sick person and I'll slap out her life. You get me? You know what them a do. Because they can't put out certain things on Facebook and them a chat. You understand? Remember, you know? Round this up. Round this a diet. Labor right and PMP, you understand? You understand? But them man they take care of them area. And she go out and chat and put up her face up. And that make some talk. You understand? But then at the day, the man know why not the country. You get me? Man know why not the country bad man. You know what
That's the latest news from the Radio 1 service of the JBC. The news today was brought to you by Burger King Taste Rules. News next on this station will be the major roundup at 10. Good evening.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, when you hear what I go on, and you listen to the man who talk, I say, yo, she violate, and she come out brawling, and she have to be careful. Oh, they must know video, no one talk about people and blah, blah, blah. Which is true, yes, because they don't know social media, and you know what I mean, the phone them have and tracking and all of them things there right now. But the fact remains is she hear her frustration, she share her frustration because she locked down, she have her business to sort out and can't move. And I saw JLP, PMP, no matter which party, I saw everybody I feel it because as we said, the government now nothing put in place for the people in lockdown. And I forgot to do them look hustling, you know what I mean? I forgot to do them business to take care, you know. You see me? So she go share her frustration and it look like, I don't know if others give her a what, but the person who carry the act there is like is a dieted JLP, you see me? Or as I say, I don't know if I call him get her permission to do it, but it's sad for sure. So people can't, you see me? Government badness and go on, you see me? Yes, government badness, and I don't know as a JLP come out and expose your prime minister like that. It's not like it's a PMP, you know. Yes, a JLP come expose JLP where them say a bro God, government badness. So me now say, I don't know if a permission that the person get to carry out that for liquor down or what. But all me I say it's sad, you know, RIP to the family them. And yeah, I did just share that for confirmation that it was she, even though a couple of people in the comment section in the previous video that I did said it was she. Some was shocked, same way, but now it's confirmed that it's her. And for sure you say, oh the news media no cover that. Because we don't hear it on the news, never. We don't see it at the Star. I don't know if it come out at the Star, I miss it or what, but enough people never know. But now it's confirmed because it's on Twitter. I hear the man talk, I say, yo, she violate and blah, 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 you see me? But I say, go my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, you know. Have a blessed day, Zane. Sooner or later, alright? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell, please, and thanks. Yeah, man, support is highly appreciated. Boom!
Who feels it now? Who feels it now? Enough nights we got me bed hungry. We couldn't go to let you me shot that ground in a shame for that.
Thanks for watching. Your support is highly appreciated. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will always get that alert when I post a new content. And feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Your thoughts and opinion I would like to know. Until then, stay safe. Gone. Walk good. I'm out. God bless you.